Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can delete your YouTube account from other devices. Please, friends, put your likes under this video, write your comments after watching, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's get down to the topic, friends. And let's say if you have logged into your YouTube account from some other device, your own or someone else's, or you suspect that someone might have logged into your YouTube account. Then I'm going to show you how you can quickly remove that login and that account. So friends, first of all, you will need to open the YouTube app on your device. After that, on the bottom right side, go to You. Next, select Google Account. In Google Account, you'll need to scroll through this menu here and select Safety here. Then, in Danger, scroll down and you'll find this section right here called Your Devices. It will show you all the devices from which you have logged into your YouTube account. Next, select Manage All Devices. Wait for it to load. And now, friends, you will be able to see all the devices that you have here. And in order to log out, for example, from any of them, you'll need to go to a specific device. And then, here on the left side, you can find this Exit button. Click on it. And then you will just need to confirm your action and click on Exit again. So friends, you will be able to delete your account from a particular device. Friends, I really hope that you found this video helpful and that it was useful to you. You were able to see how you can easily delete your YouTube account from another device. Friends, please don't forget to put your likes under the video, write comments, and also subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye, everyone.